As the Ramat Park Flyover construction nears completion, structural changes are visible almost every week. And right now, the project is currently at one of its most critical stages. The final stage is here. What was once a massive construction zone filled with pillars, beams, drainage works, and earth movement is gradually transforming into a fully connected transport interchange. The pace of work on site has changed drastically. The entire corridor now looks completely different. And with the finishing works now taking shape, the biggest question is no longer whether this flyover will be completed, but how soon traffic will begin moving across it. Today, we take you through the latest transformation happening at the Ramat Park Flyover project in Benin City. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to LantusTV. I'm back once again at the Ramat Park Flyover construction site, and this time the project has entered a very critical phase. Asphalt is now ongoing, a major sign that this project is gradually approaching completion. In today's update, I'm going to take you across the entire site to see what has changed since our last update, what is currently ongoing on site, what we should expect in the coming months, and how this project is beginning to change the Ramat Park as is. If you are joining us for the first time, my name is Lantus, and at LantusTV we provide in-depth coverage of infrastructure across Africa. If you want to see infrastructure projects shaping our cities, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our updates. Let's dive in. In our last update, the flyover was already beginning to make sense, the U-turn system was taking shape, the bus-covered drainage network was under construction, and the binder course layer across sections of the access road was ongoing. At the time, the project had already started becoming aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, but one major component was still missing: the asphalt surface on the bridge deck itself. Now fast forward to today. The biggest transformation since our last update is the asphalt work that is now visible on top of the bridge deck. This single phase has drastically changed the appearance of the project. What was once a raw concrete structure is now beginning to resemble a fully operational flyover. Another major milestone achieved since the last update is the completion of the binder course layer across the access roads. And now, the project is now in the finishing and landscaping stage. The Ramat Park Flyover has officially entered its final construction phase, with the wearing course gradually taking shape. The current activities on site is the application of the wearing course, the final layer. This is the surface vehicles will eventually drive on once the flyover is commissioned. The wearing course is designed specifically for direct traffic contact. It provides smooth driving comfort, skid resistance, weather protection, water drainage, surface durability. This layer also improves the overall visual appearance of the road infrastructure. And perhaps most importantly, the wearing course is usually one of the final visible signs that a major road project is approaching completion. From above, the engineering triumph is clear. The bridge structure is finished, and the bottleneck will soon be broken. Today, another critical phase just started: the underbridge revitalization. These stages involves modern transport hubs and infrastructure, like building structured bus terminals to clear congested main roads, adding street lights, traffic signals, and CCTV camera for security, recreational and green spaces like urban parks, developing pedestrian pockets with walking paths and landscaping, commercial and cultural nodes like art installations using bold paint colors, murals, graffiti art, and creative LED lighting installations to make the space visually welcoming. The Ramat Park Flyover is far more than just a bridge. It is a complete urban mobility solution. This interchange connects the Benin Expressway, Aduwawa Axis, and the city center. For years, this corridor has struggled with traffic congestion, flooding, and inefficient vehicle movement. This project changes that. Once open to traffic, through traffic will move over the flyover. Underpass traffic will redistribute movements below. U-turn systems will improve circulation. Access roads will support local connectivity. This is not a simple flyover. It is a complete traffic management system. If you enjoy detailed infrastructure documentaries like this, support the channel by subscribing to LantusTV. We bring you real-time coverage of projects transforming cities across Nigeria and Africa, and your support helps us continue documenting these developments. Beyond the road surfaces and bridge structures, another critical part of this project is the construction of surface and underground drain through Obaseki Street to Ikuba River. In our last update, drainage work was still ongoing here. Today, this corridor has officially transitioned from drainage construction to the subgrade stage. At the moment, the unsuitable soil is currently being replaced with stable, suitable materials, and the drainage system has been successfully completed all the way down to the Ikuba River. With the current pace of work, we expect to see the base layer taking shape within the next few days. Building a flyover in an erosion-prone area like the Ramat Park without a proper water management would be futile. That is why a massive underground drainage network has already been engineered beneath this street, stretching all the way to the Ikuba River. Every drain on the new flyover will connect directly into the subterraneous system, safely channeling millions of liters of stormwater away from the community and straight to the river. This addresses one of the long-standing environmental problems around the Ramat Park axis: flooding and erosion. The Ramat Park Flyover project is solving two major problems simultaneously: traffic congestion and urban flood control. Based on the visible pace of work now ongoing on site, it is becoming very clear that the 18-month completion target is realistic. The main structural phases are complete, road construction has entered the final asphalt stage, and what remains are now finishing touches such as road markings, street lights, traffic signals, final testing and commissioning. This is a very different situation compared to just a few months ago. What makes this project remarkable is the speed of transformation from planning to substructure to superstructure and now finishing works. The Ramat Park Flyover has evolved from an idea into near complete urban landmark. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to LantusTV for more infrastructure documentaries and development updates across Africa. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.